loves, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay, my beautiful friends, we're going to be making these really cute cats. They're so cute. I love how they turned out. I inked these cats with some black ink. I add some stickers, some googly eyes, some buttons, some twine, and that's it. That's all I did. So I want to show you how to make these because they just turned out so cute and they were so much fun to make. So what we have here is the cats that I'm working with are the ones from the Dollar Tree. These are these really fun wood shaped cats. They also have pumpkins, they have bats, they have witch hats also. Here I have these witch hats that I made a few years ago. They look like this. They come like that. All right. And we created these witch hats a few years ago. I love how these turned out. These are like my favorite witch hats that I ever decorated, and I think they turned out so beautiful. I'll link the tutorial for this witch hat at the bottom of this video if you guys want to learn on how I made these. But we're going to make these cats because I just loved how they look and they just look really fun. So I'm going to use one of the cats from this little pack from the Dollar Tree. And what I did to give my cat a little bit of color, I used this distress ink. This one is the Halloween collection. And I'm going to use the, I guess it's called the black one right here. Okay. So you can use any ink if you want, really. I just happen to have this one and I love working with this ink. So your fingers are going to get black, so make sure you wear gloves, protect your fingers because they are going to get inked. So all I did was I'm using a sponge. This is a makeup sponge, and all I did was basically just went over the sponge on my cat, and that just gives it that nice look to it. You can go dark if you want. You can go, you know, very light on it if you want. You can even do different colors if you want. You can really do whatever you want, guys. It's your project. So be creative and do whatever it is that you wish to do with your cat. So that's basically how I gave my cat some kind of look or kind of color to it, right? I didn't bother to do the back. I mean, you could. I think I did the back on these. Yeah, I did. See, I did the back on these. If you want to do the back, you can. I'm just doing the front just for demonstration purposes. But again, with this one, I did ink the back so it can kind of look finished. So once you have your cat inked, what you're going to do next is we're going to add the eyes with some googly eyes that I have here. I'm going to use my hot glue, and I'm just going to put some eyes on the cat. See? And then I'm going to add a little hat to the cat, a witch hat, which is also from the Dollar Tree, these felt stickers. This has some witch hats. It has some witch shoes. So I'm going to add this one to my cat. Actually, I like this one. I want to add this one. And if you don't have these stickers, they also have these like wood veneer stickers that the Dollar Tree also they have different shapes of different witch hats, and you can always use these if you want, or I'm going to use the felt sticker because it just looks super cute. I'm going to add the sticker right over my cat's ears. And I'm going to add a little bit of hot glue right on the edge of the hat. And I'm going to glue this down to my cat. And you should get something that looks like this. A cute little cat with a witch hat and some googly eyes. So the next thing I just added to my cat was a nice little bow right here. I already made a bow here in advance, but you can add a bow. You can add twine, ribbon, whatever you have. So I'm going to add this little bow in the side of my cat's neck right here, just like that. And then the last thing I need to do is add a button and a little bit of a string to hang the ornament from. So I have here some twine. By the way, the actual ornament does come with a little twine on it, as you can see right there, or in it, so you can hang your cat from. But I already have some twine here that I use on another project. So I'm just going to put my little twine right through my little hole, and that's going to give me the option of hanging my ornament maybe to like a Halloween tree, or you can hang it, you know, on a wall, decorative sign, or a decorative decoration for Halloween. And then I'm going to just trim this off, and that's just going to give you the ability to hang this from wherever you want to hang it from, right? And then the last thing I'm going to do is add a little bit of a tiny button right by the hat. I have some buttons here. I'm going to add a little bit of hot glue, and I'm going to add the button right in the center of the hat. And that's literally all we did with this embellishment. This is such a cute embellishment. I love it. I love how these cats turned out. They're so cute. They're just adorable. Look at that. Look how cute these are. Aren't these adorable? They turned out such a cute look. And so simple with so many, literally we just used stickers, googly eyes, we used twine and ink. That's it. That's all we did to create this really lovely, adorable little embellishment. All right, my loves, I hope you enjoy it. All right, I will see you guys on my next video. Thank you so much for subscribing, for liking, for commenting, for just doing everything that's helping me grow my channel. I absolutely appreciate it, and thank you so much. I will see you guys on my next video. Make sure you stop by my Instagram so you can see more wonderful Halloween projects that I am also creating and posting. I love you all, and I'll see you soon. Bye.